Very good morning everyone. My today's topic is voice which is for class 7. In this video we will learn about simple future tense and future perfect tense. So let us discuss about simple future tense. The first example is they will watch the new films. In this sentence they is the subject, new films is the object in the active voice. But while changing into passive form, new films has been changed into the subject and they has been changed into object as they. So the new films is the subject and after subject we will use will as it is in the above sentence, and after will we will use new thing be and verb third form watched. So whenever we convert simple future tense into passive voice, then we always use be after modal or helping verb will, and then we use verb third form. Next example, they will employ a new worker. They is the subject, a new worker is the object. Then in the same process we will use object in the active voice as the subject in the passive voice and the subject into object. So a new worker has become the subject and them has been changed into object in the passive voice. So here also we have used be after the helping verb will, and after that we will use verb third form employed. A new worker will be employed by them, मतलब उन लोगों के द्वारा नए कर्मचारी को एम्प्लॉय किया जाएगा. लास्ट एग्जाम्पल, द प्लम्बर विल रिपेयर द शावर. द प्लम्बर इज द सब्जेक्ट, शावर इज द ऑब्जेक्ट. अगेन इन द पैसिव वॉइस द शावर हैज़ बिकम द सब्जेक्ट and plumber has been turned into object. So the sentence will be the shower will be repaired by the plumber. So remember students, हम लोग हमेशा सिंपल फ्यूचर में हेल्पिंग वर्ब और मॉडल विल के बाद या सेल के बाद हमेशा बी लगाते हैं और इसके बाद वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म का प्रयोग करते हैं. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. The first example is you will have spent all the money. So you is the subject, money is the object in the active voice, but while in the passive voice or while changing into the passive voice, all the money has been changed into the subject and you has been changed into the object. So the sentence becomes all the money will. So after the subject, as usually we will use modal or helping verb will, then after that have. So because we have already written have in the active voice, again we will write have in the passive voice also. The new things we will add been, and after that been we will use verb third form which is the spent. So sentence becomes all the money will have been spent by you. So future perfect tense में हमेशा सब्जेक्ट के बाद विल आता है और विल के बाद हैव आता है और हैव के बाद बीन का प्रयोग करते हैं और इसके बाद वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. सो इसमें अंतर यही है, विल के बाद हम हैव और बीन वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म का प्रयोग करते हैं. सेंटेंस हो गया तुम्हारे द्वारा सारे पैसे खर्च किए गए होंगे. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, आई विल हैव टेकन द डॉग फॉर अ वॉक. आई इज द सब्जेक्ट and dog is the object in the active voice, but in the passive voice the dog has become the subject and I has been changed into object as me. So the sentence will be the dog will have been. हमेशा देखिए हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद हम have लगाते हैं और been लगाते हैं and verb third form. So verb third form is taken. The dog will have been taken for a walk by me. मेरे द्वारा डॉग को वॉक के लिए ले जाया गया होगा. लास्ट एग्जाम्पल, सी विल हैव सोल्ड द कार. सी इज द सब्जेक्ट car is the object in the active voice. But in the passive voice, car has been changed into subject and she as object. So she passive voice is her. So after the car, the subject, we will use will, then have, after have we will use been, and verb third form sold. The sentence become the car will have been sold by her. उसके द्वारा कार को बेच दिया गया होगा. I give you some homework in which you have to rewrite the following sentences in passive voice.